Welcome to Body Sculpt, your go-to channel for all things fitness and body transformation. Today, we're diving into a topic that's important and empowering: strength training for pregnancy. Pregnancy is an incredible journey, and staying active during this time has numerous benefits for both you and your baby. Strength training, when done correctly and under professional guidance, can help you maintain your fitness, prepare for childbirth, and support your overall well-being. So, what exactly are the benefits of strength training during pregnancy? Let's take a look. Increased muscular strength and endurance. Regular strength exercises can help strengthen your muscles, especially those supporting your back, hips, and pelvis. This can reduce discomfort and promote better posture throughout your pregnancy. As your body undergoes changes, maintaining good balance becomes crucial. Strength training exercises targeting your core and lower body can help enhance stability, reducing the risk of falls or accidents. Pregnancy can sometimes leave you feeling tired and low on energy. Engaging in moderate strength training can actually help combat fatigue and keep you energized throughout the day. Better weight management. Strength training helps increase your metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories even at rest. This can support healthy weight management during pregnancy, preventing excessive weight gain and facilitating easier postpartum weight loss. Enhanced mood and mental well-being. Pregnancy hormones can sometimes lead to mood swings and emotional changes. Engaging in regular strength training releases endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers, helping you feel happier and more relaxed. Now, let's explore a few safe and effective strength exercises suitable for pregnant women. Remember, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider and work with a qualified fitness professional before starting any exercise routine during pregnancy. Squats are excellent for strengthening your lower body muscles, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body by bending your knees. Ensuring your knees don't extend past your toes, push-ups can be modified to suit your changing body. Instead of a traditional push-up, perform them against a wall or an elevated surface, focusing on maintaining proper alignment and engaging your chest and arm muscles. While not a strength exercise in the traditional sense, Kegels help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, which can support your bladder control and aid in postpartum recovery. Simply contract your pelvic muscles as if you're stopping the flow of urine. Remember, listen to your body throughout your pregnancy journey. If any exercise feels uncomfortable or causes pain, it's important to modify or stop. Always prioritize your safety and well-being. Congratulations on taking this empowering step toward maintaining your strength and fitness during pregnancy. Stay tuned to Body Sculpt for more helpful tips, expert advice, and inspiring content to support your fitness journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Body Sculpt community. Stay strong and stay healthy.